Stay safe wherever you are. Mom and Dad will show the way. Follow the rules while they're away.
I promise to remember. We won't be gone, but we need you to be very brave while we
Listen, listen, little star. Stay safe wherever you are. Mom and Dad will show the way. Follow the rules while they're away. Knock, knock, who can it be? Stay safe, don't open, wait and see. If it's not Mom or Dad, you know, smile and say, please go. Hot stove, step away. Electric sparks, don't go play. Iron switches, do not touch. Staying safe means oh so much. If your ball rolls out the gate, leave it there, it's not your fate. Toys can wait, that's okay. When your little heart feels scared, remember Allah, He has cared. Close your eyes and softly say, Hasbi Allahu la ilaha illa huwa, alayhi tawakkaltu, He's enough for me. Rabbul Arshil Azim above, I am safe within His love. I am brave, I am wise. Safety rules are my prize. I remembered what to do. Mom and Dad would be proud too.
We are so proud of you, Shahnawz. You've been so responsible.
Thanks, Abu.
You're the best.